mental here.
We're gonna go to Chinatown. Check that out. Getting on the Sky. What's it? Sky train?
Skytrain, yeah.
Sky train. Got our first Sky train ticket. We're going to our Soph station and then we're gonna go on the underground.
We haven't got tickets though, so it's a bit weird. Here.
Yeah.
English. Oh, I've got this small, isn't it? I'm very tall. English. Are we here? We need to go to what? 7 stops to what man?
You're having to kneel down.
It's very small.
Do you want me to do it?
Okay. Schmook bit 31 baht. 2 of them.
Chinatown.
We're in Chinatown.
Try and find some Chinese food. Chinatown. Try and find some nice street food in Chinatown. We're spoilt for choice, so it's literally street food. Stalls everywhere.
I should have got this. It was good. What'd you get? I got, I don't know, just noodles, chicken and shrimp. Your one looks better. Can I have yours?
What's this place called? Asiatique Market?
Looks like Azteque.
I think it's Asia.
Asiatique?
We're in Asia?
Asiatique.
We're in Asiatique.
Asiatique.
It's like a little food court kind of place.
It's got a really nice boat there, which we cannot afford to eat on. I wish we could.
It's like, yeah, food, drink, some little like boutique kind of shops. It's nice. We've got cocktails, happy hour.
Cheers. Let's get some food first, yeah. So we're in our first McDonald's since being here. We're going to let you guys know how it is. Got some sort of family meal box set thing. It was like £6.86 for both of us. So we'll show you guys when it comes. We'll come out early and it's going to be hopefully a good day.
There's actually a pile of chicken there. Some chips, chicken nuggets.
Taken us 4 hours to get here. 4 hours.
Yeah, because like we went to a train station to thought we could get the train there, but because of COVID, the trains aren't running as often. So then we had to get a taxi somewhere to get a bus, and then that bus took an hour and a half. But overall, it's been about 4 hours since we left to get here.
Yeah, it's currently what's time? 2:45 as well, so it's pretty late now. We're gonna try and see what we can, do what we can. Apparently there's a train runs through here, which is why I want to come.
But then there's also a floating market nearby, which we'll go to while we're here, and then get a mini bus back again. Apparently they run every.
And it's gonna come along the tracks. goes down there.
The train's about to leave at 3:30 and the train station's just there, so they're putting in all of their vegetables and stock for the train to go past. So we're just going to wait until it goes. The railway's nearly cleared. When we got here, there wasn't actually many stalls out, so I don't know if it's because of COVID or we got here a little bit too late. Bits in there. Just glad to.
Sliding that thing back out. They're all going back up again.
That must be a pain doing that like 6 times a day.
It's not, is it? It's twice a day now, 4 times a day.
Pre-COVID it was 6 times a day. Lots of weird looking fish all dried up.
It's all dry fish, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dry fish. Look at this.
We're trying to find some cooked food, but it's all like fish and stuff. Oh my god. Can't put that on YouTube.
Got some little chocolate balls.
They're like little chocolate ball cakes
20 baht, 6 of them.
from this little cake shop.
Give it a try. Oh god, they're in there proper.
Can you try it first? Do you like it?
It doesn't taste like chocolate.
What's it taste like?
Oh. I mean, no, it does actually. The aftertaste is quite chocolatey. They're quite odd though. A little muffin cake.
It's like chocolate icing, isn't it? Like,
Yeah.
we're gonna see if we can get a bus or something to the floating market. There wasn't much actually at the market, and I'm not sure why. I don't know if it's because we were late or if it's because of COVID.
Soph's doing her business now. They pay you now or after? Do you want money now or after?
No.
Asking because then we get a tea.
Pay you now or? Yeah?
Okay.
Let's just get on and he'll have to
Just
pay me. Floating market. What's this? What's that?
Shell.
Shell? What is that? What's inside of the shell?
I don't know, look at the crabs.
I actually eat that. We're currently at the floating market, but we're trying to work out actually how we
float.
how we float, how we get on a boat. We haven't managed to get a boat yet. So basically what we think it is, because of COVID, it's not as busy. So at the moment, they're obviously like trying to get you on and do like a private boat basically, because there's not enough people. And it's about 500 baht, which is like just over £10. Which is a bit annoying because we don't want to spend that much just on a boat. So yeah, we waited around for a bit to see if anyone would get on a boat with us, but there isn't anyone really. So maybe we'll take a walk back up there after we've eaten and see if anyone wants to get on a boat. Maybe wait around a bit longer.
They're the boats over there, but there's just like no one sitting on them waiting. Normally you get people waiting on them and you just join in, you know, but there's no one. So crab fried rice. It's our first crab fried rice, isn't it?
It is.
Nice.
Got our own little restaurant there on the boat.
Lock you in until the police come, and when the police come, they open up again. Look at it. It's so hard to turn the camera around. Touch again?
Hello.
Hello. It goes quiet.
We're waiting for the police to come and then the party starts again.
Like,
only mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise, yes please, just that. Yeah. Thank you.
They've got their phones out taking pictures.
Yeah, because they have to.
They have to take pictures to prove that it's under control, and then they leave and then it opens up again. Yummy.
When you're drunk.
What is that?
No. What the hell is that? Yeah. So we got in about, what, 3:30 this morning, Soph?
Yeah.
And it's currently 10 to 11. We've got to check out right now. We've just packed. We're leaving our hotel room. We haven't got anywhere else to go yet. So go downstairs, have a coffee, book somewhere to go, get in a cab.
Thank you for watching our video.
If you'd like to follow our journey, make sure you hit that like button, comment below and subscribe to our channel.
And if you'd like to be notified each time we post, then make sure you have the notification bell turned on below.